Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage user access with Okta easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Okta admin dashboard using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the directory menu on the left sidebar. Select groups from the drop-down options. To create a new group, click on the Add Group button at the top right corner. Enter a unique name for your new group in the group name field. Provide a brief description of the group's purpose in the description field. Click on the Add Group button to finalize the creation of your new group. Now, return to the Users section in the left sidebar. Select People to view all user accounts in your organization. Find the user you want to manage by using the search function. Click on the user's name to open their profile. In the user profile, look for the Groups tab. Click on the Add button to assign the user to a group. A list of available groups will appear for selection. Select the appropriate group from the list. Click the Save button to confirm the assignment. Next, to manage specific access settings, navigate to the Applications section. Select the application you want to configure user access for. Click the Assignments tab to see current user assignments. To add a user to this application, click the Assign button. You can choose to assign the user by selecting their name from the list. Alternatively, you can assign them to a specific group for broader access. Once you've made your selection, click Assign to complete the process. To remove access, return to the Assignments tab and find the user. Click on the user's name and select Remove to revoke their access. Confirm the removal in the prompt that appears. To review permissions, check the Permissions tab in the Application settings. Here, you can view and adjust permissions for groups and individual users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.